So here you notice I have an x plus 1 squared and an x plus 1. So I'm going to let b for blob be x plus 1. So this is going to be 4. X plus 1 is b squared minus 12. X plus 1 is b. So this becomes greatest common factor is 4b. And I'm left with b minus 3. But I don't want b. This is 4b. b is x plus 1 times b, which is x plus 1 minus 3. So this is 4 times x plus 1, combined like terms, x minus 2. Now, a reminder, and the good news is we don't run into this very much, that a cubed minus b cubed is just really, it's a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. In this instance, I'm going to have an x plus 1 cubed, or 4x plus 1 cubed. So I'm going to let b, since it's a quantity, be equal to parenthesis 4x plus 1. So this becomes b cubed minus 8. So I'm dealing with a b and a 2, because the cube root of b cubed is b, because a is the cube root of the first quantity, and b is the cube root of the second quantity. So it's a minus b times a squared plus a b plus b squared, according to the formula, or b minus 2 times b squared plus 2b plus 4. But b is 4x plus 1. So this then becomes 4x plus 1 minus 2 times 4x plus 1 squared plus 2 times 4x plus 1 plus 4. I don't simplify this out. I'm too lazy to do that. I'll do the first part. That's 4x plus 1 minus 2. This is 4x minus 1. I'm going to leave the rest alone. Quit while I'm ahead. Because there's not going to be that much that I can actually simplify and bring together. We now move to the ones that are in your book. This is the domain issue, so don't have to really worry about it. They have to put this here, which because of the 1/2, we know that the radicand has to be positive. So because of the 1/2, we have to take into account there is a domain issue. And you notice the only thing they have in common is they have a common a2, because this is 2 times 4, this is 2 times 3, and then they have a common x, and it's x to the 1/2. So 2x to the 1/2. I'm taking a 2 from the 6, leaving with a 3. From the x to the 1/2, I'm removing 1/2 times that set of parentheses, plus I'm taking a 2 from the 8, leaving with a 4, and from the x to the 3/2, I'm removing 1/2. So plus 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0, and x to the 0 is 1. And x to the 3/2 minus 1/2 is 2/2 or 1. And since these are x's, I can simplify. This is 6x plus 9 plus 4x. Or this is 2x to the 1/2 times 10x plus 9. In this instance, greatest common factor is 4. Smallest power is x to the negative 2/3. From the 8, I'm removing a 4, leaving with a 2. From an x to the 1/3, I'm removing a negative 2/3 minus, I'm taking the 4. From the x to the negative 2/3, I'm removing a negative 2/3. And a minus and a minus is a plus. So this is 4x to the negative 2/3 times 2x to the, well, that's going to be 1/3 plus 2/3, that's 3/3, so it's x to the 1. And this is going to be negative 2/3 plus 2/3, that's x to the 0. Two-thirds, and this is going to be 2x minus 1.